In this video, I am going to show you how to install Ebo Player Pro on your Samsung Smart TV. First, ensure your TV is connected to the internet. From the home screen, navigate to the Apps section. Once in the Apps menu, use the search function to look for Ebo Player Pro. If it appears in the search results, select it and click on the Install button to begin the installation process. If you don't find Ebo Player Pro in the App Store, you will need to sideload it. To do this, you will need a file downloader app like Downloader. If you don't have it installed, go to the Samsung Smart Hub, search for Downloader, and install it. After installing the Downloader app, open it and enter the URL for the Ebo Player Pro APK file. You can usually find this URL on the official Ebo Player website or trusted forums. Click Go to download the APK file. Once the download is complete, the installation prompt will appear. Click Install to begin the installation process for Ebo Player Pro. After installation, you can choose to delete the APK file to free up space on your device. Finally, return to the home screen and you should see Ebo Player Pro in your apps list. Launch the app and you can start enjoying your favorite content. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.